Tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Vijay Kumari. I'm from Vijayawada. I completed my master's from MSc Botany, and later I completed my degree from Maristella College in BSc. And later I worked as a QA tester from Westpac in Hyderabad. Coming to my family, my father is a private employee. My mother is a homemaker, and I'm worked as a Westpac.
Okay, I think you worked, right?
Yes.
So I think you have completed your post-graduation in MSc Botany, then you secured job in IT. Very good, good achievement. And I just want to know you're done working from till April 2024, right? So what is the reason why you left the company? Any reason behind it?
As of to improve more skills where everyone needs a growth to move for a higher level.
Yes.
So for that sake, I have choose to shuffle to other.
Okay. And now tell me about your work experience. What are the clients that you have worked till now?
I work for projects where for e-commerce project and logistic projects, and where one of the project where I work for it's a app development project, sir. That is related where it's a tracking app where the motors will be transferred for the other places. So tracking will be started from one place where the contractor will handle it, and from tracker place to the delivery place, it will be tracking like same as Ola app and Uber app, same like that. It will be tracked, and the payment also will be given to the customer when the delivery has reached to the customer there, and it is all will be maintained in the particular app. So we have designed in, but it is running still too.
Okay, what of testing you will do on these circumstances?
We have tested as regression testing we have done, and unit testing we have done it, and whenever the new changes, any modifications where the client has asked us to implement, we used to do the regression testing and retestings where the when it is failed, we used to do the retestings when it is needed, or sanitary testings we used to do.
Yeah, good work. And tell me what is the difference between retesting and regression testing?
Retesting is done on the failed test cases, and regression testings are done in past test cases.
Okay, and could you please tell me what is the defect life cycle?
Defect life cycle is when the defect is raised. So we used to track in JIRA, where we use the tool which we use for tracking the defects. So when when as person as QA has developed the defect, the manager will check whether it is the correct defect, whether it is raised by the QA person, and he will look after that particular defect, and he'll raise to the developer. So developer then he'll see, and he'll he'll hand over the EAT, where it is called as achievement time. So he'll defect, and then he'll work on the particular defect, and he'll release to the QA, and the QA will retest or retest it. And if the defect is finally it is done, and it will be closed. No, there is any other defect raised by the new build, and we'll reopen that particular defect, and then it will goes. And if it is we have the other process where it is called invalid or duplicate, when the two persons raise same defect, when it is called as duplicate.
Okay.
If it is raised again, and if the developer give the clarification over that particular defect, and we'll close it. The other one is deferred, where the developer may have the other important the bill to develop. He'll inform that he'll raise that I'll come in particular time period.
Okay.
So it is called deferred.
Okay, good. And what is the difference between SDLC and SDLC?
SDLC is a software development lifecycle, where the QA members, developer, and stakeholders all will be involved in that particular cycle, and where the software testing lifecycle, where QA members will be involved, and after the development of the build, where the testers will work on that particular, and in SDLC, where testing requirement planning will be done according for the development of product to test it, where in the development life cycle, where the developer will develop according to the requirements where the product the clients has given, and he'll release the.
Okay, so tell me, I don't know basic level of information on requirements. In that case, can we prepare test scenario test cases?
If we know the basic things, the product, what the product has, the client has informed us. Without an imagination, we can prepare some test cases.
Because I don't have this imagination. Can we
Okay.
do the test scenario and test cases on the requirements?
No, we can't prepare.
Okay.